Finn. Here it's going off outside. Oh, see, look. Sounds like a dying seagull. I'm sure all of the neighbors love this.
To disarm, turn off system, enter 12561.
Well, where is this?
This is ridiculous. I hate this thing. We are not having babies. I'm not kidding. Right there. I mean, it's a little smoke.
Crack the code, Dad. Nice.
Oh.
Yeah.
Who's the man?
You are the ace security team.
Thank God you had that.
Nice. I'm sure all the neighbors really like us now. Who called?
The alarm people call.
And did they not say how to turn it off?
No, they don't. All they want to know is your passcode. So you've got this crazy thing going off, and maybe a fire, and you're supposed to find your passcode.
Oh, she asked if we need the file.
Oh, okay. But I mean, still,
Where's
it's
that
loud.
page?
Paul's got it. He's still finishing out back there.
He is the hero.
He wants the page.
Yes. Here we go.
Dad, you're a hero.
You
Took
are.
me a while to get to come to the. I had to turn off the button.
Has it gone off before?
Yes, I've set it off before.
AJ sent it off.
AJ set it off.
It's nice you got that outdoor speaker going.
Yeah.